Welcome to AI Frontiers. Today, we're exploring the cutting edge of robotics with a focus on recent breakthroughs in computer science robotics. Our topic is Robotics Unleashed: Navigating the Future, covering research papers from August 10, 2025. This presentation provides a glimpse into robotics innovation by exploring key research from August 10, 2025. We'll journey through cutting-edge advancements in computer science robotics, unpack the trends, challenges, and ingenuity driving this evolving field, and discover how robots are transforming various sectors. The focus will be on practical applications and accessibility for a broad audience. Computer science robotics is an interdisciplinary field where engineering and AI converge. It combines mechanical, electrical, and computer science with elements of cognitive science. This field focuses on designing, constructing, and operating intelligent machines that can perceive, reason, and act in the physical world. It also drives innovation in diverse areas such as healthcare, agriculture, logistics, and even space exploration. A major research theme is motion planning and control, centered on robots' ability to move safely and efficiently through complex environments. A key challenge is collision avoidance in dynamic settings, as explored by Seminal and colleagues. Research also addresses controlling deformable objects with precision, as shown in work by Zhao and collaborators. Motion planning and control is essential for robots operating in cluttered or unpredictable spaces. Learning-based robotics is another key theme, where machine learning revolutionizes robot capabilities. Instead of explicit programming, robots adapt to new situations and improve their performance over time through learning. Algorithms compensate for limitations, such as monocular vision, as demonstrated by Sharma and colleagues. This makes robots more affordable and versatile for various tasks, as they can learn and adapt to different situations. Human-robot interaction, or HRI, focuses on how humans and robots interact. The goal is to enable robots to understand intentions and respond effectively to human commands. Research is actively investigating gaze-based interaction, exemplified by the work of Jenna and colleagues. Ultimately, the aim is to create seamless collaborative experiences that foster trust and efficiency between humans and robots. Research is pushing the boundaries of robotics. Some key findings include improved collision avoidance through learned models, as shown by Sharma and colleagues. There's also the effective use of large language models for complex tasks, highlighted by the work of Zhao and collaborators. Enhanced human-robot collaboration through gaze-based interaction has been demonstrated by Jenna and colleagues. Finally, there have been advancements in dynamic scene reconstruction, as presented by Li and collaborators. Several methodologies are driving robotics research. Deep learning employs neural networks for perception and control, as seen in the work of Sharma and colleagues. Model Predictive Control, or MPC, optimizes control actions over time, as demonstrated by Zhao and collaborators. Reinforcement learning, or RL, facilitates learning through rewards and penalties, a technique used by Zhao and colleagues. Artificial potential fields, or APF, offer efficiency but are prone to local minima, as discussed by Uppel and collaborators. Lastly, Active Inference focuses on minimizing prediction error, an approach explored by Tingui and colleagues. One selected research paper is the SSS framework by Zhao and colleagues from 2025, titled SSS, a collaborative multi-LLM framework for solving long-horizon implicative tasks in robotics. This paper addresses the limitations of using single large language models for complex robotics tasks. It uses simplification, solution, and summary large language models in a closed-loop process and achieved an 89% success rate, outperforming baseline models. Another key paper is MonoMPC by Sharma and colleagues, also from 2025, entitled MonoMPC: Monocular Vision-Based Navigation with Learned Collision Model and Risk-Aware Model Predictive Control. This work focuses on navigation using a single RGB camera and a learned collision model. This allows for robust navigation even with noisy depth information. The researchers demonstrated a 9x and 7x improvement in success rates compared to existing methods. The final selected research paper is AgriVLN by Zhao and collaborators from 2025, titled AgriVLN: Vision and Language Navigation for Agricultural Robots. This work addresses the need for improved vision and language navigation in agricultural settings. The researchers introduced the A2A benchmark and the AgriVLN baseline model. They also improve performance on long instructions by incorporating a subtask list module. The future of robotics research involves addressing key challenges and exploring new opportunities. Scalability, robustness, and safety remain critical concerns. Sim-to-real transfer and explainable AI are important research areas. The ethical and societal implications of robotics also need careful consideration. There is also potential for continued advancements in autonomous navigation and human-robot collaboration. This presentation was synthesized using AI tools, including GPT, Google, using models, Gemini 2.0 Flash. Text-to-speech synthesis was performed using Google. Image generation was completed using grok. Synthesized content was reviewed by a human expert. Potential oversights may still exist. All references are provided. This content has been generated with AI and reviewed, but errors may occur. Thank you for tuning into AI Frontiers. In this podcast, we bring you the latest breakthroughs in computer science and AI, straight from the arXiv preprint server. From neural networks to quantum computing, we simplify complex research so you can stay ahead. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or tech enthusiast, AI Frontiers keeps you informed daily. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for daily updates. See you tomorrow with more cutting-edge AI insights. Disclaimer. This video uses arXiv.org content under its API terms of use. AI Frontiers is not affiliated with or endorsed by arXiv.org.